So guys, today I'm working with the Audi RS4 V8 engine 4.2 valves per cylinder. So the engine gotta have a misfire code. Then I'm going to check it out and I'll show you how you do it. Let me bring the diagnostic. Audi RS4. So it's an OBD to car, you know. So let me find. Huh? Yeah. Okay. So he. So here I'm gonna have an OBD circuit right here. Yes. So turn the engine on. It needs service at the same time. So let me check that's what it says. So choose the car. Now I'm going to choose with the vehicle identification number. So right here, VIN, and it's an Audi car. So I'm going to wait till it finds the car, the right car, you know, and the right engine. I think it's the right one, BNS engine, and the manufacturing year 0608 309 PS and 4.1 liter, 4.2 liter. This is 4.2 liter. So here I got the right one. And Diagnose failure code. So I would like to see the engine, and here is the motor electronic 1 and motor electronic 2. If there is 2 or 3 more electronics in the system, you should have to choose which one that you need to see. So the motor electronic 1 I choose, then here we go. It's going to search. So as you can see here, I gotta have a failure code 16684 and